minus theta equals sine of theta. Let's understand this both visually and algebraically. Let's start by visualizing what pi minus theta means on the unit circle. Here's our unit circle, and here are our axes. When we talk about an angle theta, we typically measure it from the positive x-axis counterclockwise. Now, pi minus theta represents the reflection of theta across the vertical axis. When we reflect theta across the vertical axis, we get an angle that has the same sine value as the original angle. Let's prove this algebraically using the sine of a difference formula. The formula states that sine of a minus b equals sine of a times cosine of b minus cosine of a times sine of b. In our case, a is pi and b is theta. Let's substitute these values. Now we know that sine of pi equals 0 and cosine of pi equals -1. Let's substitute these values. We get 0 times cosine theta minus -1 times sine theta. Simplifying, 0 times cosine theta is 0, and -1 times sine theta is negative sine theta. When we subtract a negative, we get a positive. Therefore, we have proven both visually and algebraically that sine of pi minus theta equals sine of theta. This identity is particularly useful when working with trigonometric equations and when analyzing periodic functions. Thank you for watching.